revolution has begun in Bhutan. The remote Himalayan country, renowned for championing gross national happiness, has taken first steps towards its vision of becoming a leading global electric vehicle nation. Prime Minister Tshering Tobgay and Nissan CEO Carlos Ghosn announced a partnership in Thimphu Friday, which will see both parties work towards achieving Bhutan's goal of becoming a zero-emissions nation.
The Nissan Leaf, now in Bhutan.
We will develop a program. We will commit to a program to achieve zero emissions as a nation by a certain target date. We cannot go on this journey ourselves. We need the world to travel with us. And what better partner than to have Nissan Leaf help us along this journey.
Nissan, the global leader in zero-emissions vehicle, will build on its EV expertise to electrify the country's fleet and help Bhutan develop its charging infrastructure.
There is a lot of courage, a lot of will, a lot of vision behind the Prime Minister of Bhutan positioning on electric car, and I think I feel good about supporting this obviously within the interest of Nissan, because we have our own interest here. But I think this can create a lot of other examples in the future, and hopefully Bhutan can become a showcase.
Bhutan, rich in renewable hydroelectricity, has a strong environmental and economic case for EVs. The country currently only uses 5% of the clean power it produces, exporting the majority to India.
But almost all of the revenues earned on selling electricity is spent on importing fuel from India to run the nation's existing vehicles, which number about 36,000 in Thimphu alone. Reducing all imports with this EV project will also help free up finances that can be used elsewhere.
Starting with 2 Nissan Leaf presented today, the King of Bhutan's birthday, Nissan will supply more vehicles and quick chargers with local distributor Tanda Motors with the government's fleet first to make the transition to zero-emissions motoring. The Leaf stands out in Thimphu today, but with the partnership underway, many more will be on the roads of Bhutan before long.